my channel. So today I'm going to continue with this duct designing for this reception. So this text is in the center of the duct. So let us move this a little bit this side, okay? And just start with polyline. So type PL. PL is nothing but the polyline, okay? And specify the center point, start point of the polyline, okay? And just draw like this. Connect this diffuser to this duct, okay? And here also start from here, otherwise you can start from the main duct as well, okay? And use fillet command just to fillet this, make in just to make this line, convert this line to elbow, okay? So this is how it looks like. Okay, so let us start the designing. So you can see this one, this is the airflow is 944. So already designed here 9 for 944. So let us copy this, just to copy, because no need to design, no need to waste the time, just copy and paste. For 944 it will be same, okay? The duct size, everything will be same. What will be the duct size here for the branch? So for the branch, let us copy this, okay? And for branch it will be 350 by 350 and airflow is 472. So double click to edit. So here the text size will be 350 by 350 and airflow will be 472. Okay, similarly for this branch. So let me copy this. Okay, and here move this up. Yeah. So the branch will be same 350 by 350 and deck size and airflow is 472. So this is over. So in the next tutorials guys, we have to start designing for this meeting room. So please be with me and thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.